ourselves. Alright, my name is Louis Shafa.
My name is Pathapon Visay.
My name is Jerome Hamdan.
My name is Kamalana Kirti Chai.
Okay, for our group we have no role play or prop or anything, but we will present you
How to
how to
Animation.
presentation about this kind of animation. Okay, we will present you two versions of our tale. The first version is original one, and the other is the rearranged version. Okay, now let's get started.
Dạ. Đó, như vậy rồi.
Once upon a time, there were many wild animals live in the jungle, and there were a bird who was good at dancing, and a cat who was really jealous. One day, while the bird was dancing among the other wild animals, the cat saw her and felt jealous at her dancing skill. He tried to copy her dance because he wanted to receive some admiration, but he was not successful. Then the cat was very angry and wanted to seek out the revenge on the bird for this embarrassment. He decided to invite the bird to dinner at his home, and she agreed. On the next day, the bird came to the cat's house, but the cat provided nothing except a plate of soup. The bird felt very uncomfortable to eat it due to her long bill. The cat was very satisfied with the result and was not guilty at all. The bird was still calm, and she invited the cat to her house instead. A few days later, the cat came to the bird's house, and she gave him soup in a glass jar, which was so deep and so narrow. The cat was embarrassed because he could not lick it. "I might not say sorry for this time," said the bird.
Rearranged using Webtoon.
Okay. This is the original version, and the next version we will show you is the new version that we make new story for this tale and also make the animation have more smooth movement and more reality.
Once upon a time, there were many wild animals live in the jungle, and there were a bird who was good at dancing, and a cat who was really jealous. One day, while the bird was dancing among the other wild animals, the cat saw her and felt jealous at her dancing skill. He tried to copy her dance because he wanted to receive some admiration, but it was not successful. Then the cat was very angry and wanted to seek out the revenge on the bird for this embarrassment. He decided to invite the bird to dinner at his home, and she agreed. On the next day, the bird came to the cat's house, but the cat provided nothing except a plate of soup. The bird felt very uncomfortable to eat it due to her long bill. The cat was very satisfied with the result and was not guilty in what he did. The bird was still calm, and she invited the cat to her house instead. A few days later, the cat came to the bird's house. He received the dinner which he was able to eat, a plate of steak. He was surprised because he found that the bird did nothing in return. "Why did not you seek revenge on me?" said the cat. "No need to respond badly to one who did badly to you." The bird smiled, and the cat realized his mistake. Unbelievably, they become best friends. They enjoy hanging out, sharing the food, and being happy spending time together. The suffering winter arrived. No food, no warmth, and no kindness were left in this neighborhood. The wild animals tried to steal each other's food and caused many conflict to others who used to be their friends, except for the cat and the bird. There was a little war among starving animals. The cat and the bird walked past the severe agreement. Others were surprised that the cat and the bird shared the food to each other. A rabbit saw that and was confused how both of them turned to be very close friends, especially in such a starving town, while they were willing to give each other any food. The war stopped for a while when the cat and the bird arrived. "Why all of you have an agreement for just a little problem? In this town, you should have each other instead of spending time on bullying," said the cat. After that, the wild animals realized from the cat's words they were getting to share food and live happily since then.
Rearranged using how-to.
End of our presentation. I hope you enjoy that. I really hard to make this presentation because how-to is really complicated to make it. Yes, and I hope you guys able to use these moral lessons to adapt in your daily